guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you 4 of my favorite products from Tarte. And if you didn't know, I am a huge fan of Tarte. I think everything that they make is so pretty, and I cannot wait to show you what I have here. Of course, there are so many products that I own that I absolutely love, but I try to narrow them down to show you. Maybe in the future I'll make more videos about more products that I have, and maybe some tutorials. So if you want to know more, just keep on watching. And the first thing that I have is this one here, is the Chrome Paint Shadow Pot in shade Sun Drenched. It is a powder eyeshadow, and just wait until you look at it. It's so pretty. You see the shade here, so you can tell. It's like a gold shimmery, it's like rose gold shimmery color. So I'm just gonna swatch it a little bit. Look, I rarely touch it, and look how pigmented that is. My lighting is so horrible, I am so sorry. Still waiting for my lights, but here you go. And I'm just going to show you what I do with it. So it's better if you use your fingertips to apply this on your eyelids. It's better than a brush, just because since it's powder, maybe with the brush it can go, you know, underneath your eye. So it's cleaner if you use your finger, although it is not loose powder. It's very compact, as you can see. So it's still fine. So I'm just going to take a little bit, and I am going to put it on top of my eyelid. I already have eyeshadow, so it will be a little difficult for me, but it's just to show you what you can do with these things. It is highly pigmented, you can see it here, and I'm just gonna show you. So here it is. I don't know if you can really see it because my light is pretty yellowish, and like I said, I'm still waiting for my light. I'm sorry. So I'm just closing my eyes here, and it's very shimmery. It's very soft, very pretty. And if you can see it in daylight, you're going to die. It is so pretty, and I'm so tired of telling that, but I just don't know how else to describe it. It's very soft too. When you apply it, it's not messy at all. So you can either use a brush or just your finger. And then another tip that I have, and this is the reason why I'm not wearing any lipstick, I'll show you. So I have nothing on my lips right now, and I have so many lipsticks, but the one that I like to use with this is this Rimmel lipstick. It's a drugstore brand. I don't even know when I got this, but it is a pretty shade. It is Rossetto. So you can tell it is pink. It's very cute. It looks very pink, but when it goes on your lips, it's not that pink. So I'm just going to show you. So you just put a little bit. So this lipstick is very soft. It's not a matte lipstick, which will work best with what I'm going to show you. So once you prep your lips with lipstick, with whatever lipstick that you like, it could be any color. It could be peachy, pink, whatever you want. So then I have it here, and now I like to apply this also on my lips. So just take a little bit, and I just dab it. So there you go. To me, it's the perfect shade. Like, I love the pink from the lipstick, but this is my favorite. I'm more of a nude lipstick girl. And even though, like, I guess you can get this shade anywhere, but I think it's so unique because it has a little bit of shimmer, as you can tell. I know you can't really tell on the camera, but when I look at myself in the mirror, it is the prettiest nude color. It's like pink and shimmery gold. See, it is I love it. I cannot I can't stop staring because it's so pretty. So now another item that I have is this Pro Glow to Go Tarte. It is so pretty. So it is a bronzer and a highlight, and it's so cute because it comes with the mirror, so it is the best. I love when packaging or any kind of palette comes with a mirror. It is so practical. It is so thin, you can just put it in your bag, in your makeup bag. It fits anywhere and you can just, you know, use it. It has a mirror. It's so cute. Now about the colors, this is the perfect shade for my skin tone. They have a darker one as well that will work for darker skin tones. And I love the highlights. As you can see, I used them a lot. Now I take my mermaid brush from Tarte, and this is another item that I love. They come up with the cutest themes. This was from the mermaid theme, and now I think they're coming up with a flower theme, which I cannot wait to get. But this is the bronzer brush, so I just take a little bit. It is very pigmented, so I have it on right now. Just apply it on your cheekbones, and you can also apply it here, and I like to apply it here as well, the bottom and on the nose. And this brush is too big to contour my nose, but just to show you it's so big. And the highlights, I think I used my highlighter brush. This is another one, and I mean, they're both so cute. The top one is Gleam and the bottom one is Burst. So this is more like a lighter shimmery pink, and this is more gold tone. I like the top one. So there you go. See, it's so cute. I'm like a disco ball. I'm ready to shine and blind the world, girl. And I like to apply a little bit on my nose here, the Cupid's bow. There you go. I love this. The best. This is the best. I got this from one of my subscription boxes and I was instantly hooked, and this is my go-to. Of course, if you love blush, you are going to love this one, the Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush. It does last 12 hours. I mean, I don't have it on right now, but I cannot wait to show you. And I got it in shade Blushing Bride. The packaging is so cute. They have so many colors. It was so hard for me to pick one when I first bought it, and this has become my favorite, and it looks brand new because I just recently purchased a new one. Look, it is so cute. So now I'm gonna take my blush brush, and this is my Wet n Wild brush. It's right here. It's cute. So now just going to dab it, and I like to apply blush on top of my bronzer just a little bit, and here in the middle. Oh, look how pigmented. I think I put a little too much, so you have to be a little careful with this because it's so pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way. So you can just dab it here. I like to put it right here and a little bit in the center. Obviously, I think I put a little too much. I mean, I don't mind blush. I think it looks very pretty, but I did put a little too much for me. So this is my favorite Blushing Bride. It does last 12 hours. It stays on for a long time, especially if you put your setting spray. Girl, you'll be hooked. Here you go. So I took off my lipstick off camera so I can show you my last favorite item, and this is the H20 lip gloss in shade Room Service. This is my favorite lip gloss. Wait until I show you. It's a little sticky, but not so much. It's very lightweight and it also lasts the whole day. I'm going to show you the shade. It's so cute. It's a kind of pinkish purple color. Come on. It is. There you go. See how pretty it is? It kind of matches with my blush, but the color is so cute and it goes with any skin tone. It is amazing. You should check it out. So that was it with all of my favorite items from Tarte, and I hope you really enjoyed it. And if you did, please don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. And I just want to say something real quick. A lot of people like tell me why I do YouTube or why I started my channel recently, and it's not to get money, it's not to get famous, because I will get lucky if I even get 20 subscribers. As you can tell, I don't have a large audience, which is completely fine with me. I just like to tell people about all the things that I love, and I like to review them. I like to help them in some way if they're not sure about a product, just like any influencer on YouTube or on beauty blogs. I think that you should do whatever it is that you want to, whatever it is that you are passionate about. And for me, makeup, it is one of my favorite things to do and to learn. It is an art, so even if I'm not the best makeup person, I'm not a makeup artist either, but I think as time goes on, you learn more and more by reading, by educating yourself in things that you love. So I just wanted to say that really quick before my video ends, so you know a little more about me. You know, I don't work in the makeup field, has nothing to do with makeup, but beauty and makeup is something that I love to do and that I enjoy reviewing. I enjoy trying new things, and my makeup collection is so large lately, and I just cannot wait to start doing tutorials and more things. So I am really excited. So if you want to see more of me, please subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.